Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Parmida. Today is a skincare video day. You asked me on Instagram to do a skincare video dedicated for dry skin type 50 million years ago. Here I am after 50 million years of filming this video today. I know. I know. First, you should ask if you have dry skin type or your skin is simply dehydrated. Dehydrated skin is a skin condition that can happen to any skin type. And dry skin type, obviously, is a skin type that you're not able to really treat it. The main difference between these two is the dehydrated skin, as I said, is a condition and it lacks water, whereas dry skin type lacks oil. I'm gonna start with dehydrated skin because I feel like so many people have dehydrated skin condition, which they think they have dry skin type. One of the main signs of having dehydrated skin is having fine lines. And I'm not talking about the deep wrinkles or deep lines. These are fine, tiny lines that can happen around your eyes and anywhere on your skin. So as soon as you put some moisturizer, hydrating products on your skin, you see the fine lines look better, or they can even disappear completely. The other signs are having rosacea, redness, inflammation, acne flare-ups, which they are not a real acne or zits. They're just super red. They just flare up on your skin. And these are the signs telling you your skin is lacking water. Now let's see what causes dehydration in our skin. Overwashing it, over exfoliating your skin. Weather actually plays a big role in your skin. Cold weather equals less humidity. Less humidity equals less water, which causes your skin be dehydrated. You know what I mean? Heater. Have you noticed in wintertime our skin is more tight and dry versus spring or especially like summertime? So cold weather is the enemy of your skin. I highly recommend having humidifier if you live somewhere super cold and dry, because it just feels like your skin is like cracking. Not drinking enough water can cause dehydration too, and I'm guilty of it. I always preach about drinking water. Water is so good for you, blah, blah, blah. But in reality, I don't really follow it. What has been helping me is just, a little slice of lemon in my water. It just makes the water taste better and I can just drink more of it, but I'm even lazy to slice a lemon. Anyways, also alcohol and caffeine can cause dehydration too, like coffee, teas, all that jazz. I think they say for every cup of coffee, you need to drink 3 glasses of water. Yeah, I personally drink at least 2 cups of coffee, and sometimes I barely drink any water, like all day long. Like the maximum would be like 2 glasses of water. Great. Now let's see what are the ways that we can treat dehydrated skin. Hydrate your body by drinking water, fruits, vegetables, using humidifier. As far as the skincare goes, try to use non-foaming cleansers or any harsh cleanser. I know nowadays there are so many foaming cleansers out there that they claim they are beneficial to your skin. They are very hydrating, nourishing. However, I would say the rule of thumb would be just avoiding any harsh and foaming cleansers. Try to use milky and creamy cleansers. I personally love to double cleanse, as I mentioned it in my previous skincare videos, and my most favorite product is cleansing balm or oil cleanser. So this pharmacy, I know you've seen it a million times in my videos, but this Green Clean Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy is by far my most favorite cleanser out there. Not only it cleans your skin, it also leaves your skin very hydrated, plump, and soft. You don't feel that tightness or dryness in your skin. I love it so much. The first time I used it was like back in literally last year, last April, and I've been buying it nonstop. I'm almost done with this one. Probably one more use, and I already have the brand new one. I just cannot live without this. This is one of the only cleansing balm that does not clog my pores either, because I don't have a dry skin type or dehydrated skin. I have a combo skin type, and this really melts away all the pollution, dirt, and makeup off my face. One other cleanser that I really love is by TATCHA, their cleansing oil. This is super gentle, great for all skin types, especially dehydrated or dry skin type. It's very gentle. Also, when it comes to exfoliation, don't be scared. Try to use the most gentle exfoliators. You know, I'm a big fan of chemical exfoliators. So if you are a fan of chemical ones, I would highly recommend using anything with lactic acid in it. Lactic acid has large molecules, and it's the most gentle acid out of all AHA acids. The large molecules, what it does is it doesn't penetrate very deep in your skin, and it also hydrates and nourish your skin. So one of the products that I really love is the Serum Good Genes by Sunday Riley, which has lactic acid, and it's the most gentle. I love it. You can leave it on, or you can just put it on for 15 minutes and just rinse it off if you have super duper sensitive skin. This REN tonic, which has lactic acid in it, and I love using this. I actually just ordered it from Sephora, but because of everything going on right now, they haven't shipped it to me. But I'm gonna just show you guys more about these two on my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me there, make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I share a lot of skincare products that I genuinely love on my stories and on my feed. Other key products that can really help with dehydrated skin is humectants like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and also peptides. When it comes to hyaluronic acid, you can go out there and buy an expensive product, or you can just stick with the most basic and pure hyaluronic acid. However, if you have very dry skin, hyaluronic acid can actually make your skin a little bit more dry right after you use it. Hyaluronic acid gives the skin that hydration, that water, and when you have super dry skin, it can soak up the hyaluronic acid very quickly and leave your skin actually like bare and dry, because it soaks up everything. So I would recommend using hyaluronic acid and using a very good moisturizer, hydrator after using the hyaluronic acid. I love Drunk Elephant hyaluronic acid. In my opinion, it's one of the best out there. It's just leaves your skin super soft, super plump. However, if you don't want to spend that much money on a serum, I would highly recommend this hyaluronic acid from Amazon. I talked about this one in my under $20 Holy Grail skincare products, and this is perfect. I think it just costs like $13 or $14. I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys, so you can just like go and read the reviews. When it comes to moisturizer, you wanna use moisturizing balms or the moisturizer with glycerin in them. You don't wanna use any heavy moisturizer, because your skin is dehydrated. It's not super dry. So don't use shea butter. Don't use Aquaphor. I mean, I said it before. I know so many people out there, they believe in like home or DIY skincare products like coconut oil. I'm very, very against coconut oil because I mentioned it before why, but the coconut oil, the molecules are very large. So as you know by now, when the molecule of a product is very large, it doesn't get deep into your skin. It just sits on top and it causes clogging your pores. Coconut oil can only work for the people with super duper dry skin. Like I'm telling you, super dry skin. Those are the people that never complain about coconut oil. They love even using Vaseline on their face or Aquaphor. But other than that, like coconut oil is meant to be for cooking, not for your skin. And if you find a product out there with coconut oil in it, those products actually, that coconut oil is not like purified coconut oil. They use other ingredients and mix other ingredients with it. So they make it the way that it's suitable for your skin. So I'm not talking about any products with coconut oil in it. I'm just talking about the pure coconut oil that you have in your kitchen. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Now that we learn about dehydrated skin, let's jump into dry skin type and let's see what is dry skin. As I said, dry skin lacks oil. You cannot get rid of your dry skin. You can make it look better or feel better and make the appearance look better, but you cannot treat it because that's how you were born. This is your skin type, you know? What are the signs of dry skin? Flakiness, you know, your skin flakes a lot. Around your mouth, eyebrows, around your eyes, it's super dry. It's very irritated. You feel super tight in your skin. It's very sensitive. That is dry skin. Also, dry skin type tends to soak up hydrators and moisturizer into the skin very, very quickly. Dry skin type lack lipids to retain moisture, hydration in your skin, which leads to not having a strong barrier in your skin because your skin cannot retain that moisture and hydration. In order to get a strong barrier because your skin is lacking lipids, I highly recommend using heavy moisturizer. So dry skin type is probably the only skin type that can actually handle heavy moisturizer. And by heavy moisturizer, I'm talking about anything with shea butter because your skin need that barrier and need to build that barrier with the heavy moisturizer. You want to avoid any foaming cleanser with SLS in it. SLS is sodium lauryl sulfate. SLS is the ingredients that cause the foaming, and the foaming is the reason that makes your dry skin even drier and it's very harsh. Also, if you have very dry skin, you can definitely use oils. I don't really use oils, but when it comes to using oil, my most favorite face oil out there is by Drunk Elephant. It's their virgin Marula oil. The molecules are much smaller, so it's not super heavy on my skin. Gives you that nice glow. It keeps your skin very soft, very hydrated, and you can always buy the travel size. This is a travel size because I know it can be very expensive. The large package, sorry, like I know. My middle finger has no nail polish on it, okay? Don't judge it. It's great for almost all skin types, especially for dry skin. So sometimes I even mix this with my foundation, like my heavier foundation, to give me that glow, summery glow, and yeah. I love it, love it. Try to use all the products that has ceramides in it because ceramides is the key ingredients that actually helps with building the lipids, the barrier for the skin. So the drier your skin is, the more oil and more or heavier moisturizer you can use. Peptides are great for all skin type, but like peptides, which is the amino acid, it just helps with hydration. This cream by BIOSSANCE, it's a squalane omega repair cream. Oh my God, you guys, this gonna be your best friend. I talked about this again before. It's a very like pretty heavy cream, but it doesn't leave your skin greasy or heavy or weird feeling. Again, humidifier, it's a big help, and don't over exfoliate your skin. Yes, when you have dry skin type, you still need to exfoliate your skin, but don't use any harsh exfoliators. And if you want to use any physical exfoliator, I highly, highly recommend rice enzyme, pumpkin enzyme. These are the most gentle physical exfoliators. One of my most favorite physical exfoliator is by TATCHA. It's their rice enzyme, and this is one of the most gentle and effective exfoliators out there. All right, you guys, this is it for this video. I hope it was informative and helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know and comment down below. I will gladly respond to them if I know the answer. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy at home. Take care of yourself, stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay beautiful. Bye.